Welcome to the Monster Art TV.
大家好，欢迎收看我们的视频。这一次我们可是要做一个很有趣、很可爱、很好玩的小动物哦。
And Julian, do you like milk?
呀，当然喜欢喝牛奶啦。
Do you like to drink milk with cereal?
Yeah, I love it.
And from where we get the milk?
牛
Cow. So today we're going to draw
couch.
cow.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
So for this project we're gonna use crayons. Yeah, different colors.
蜡笔
Is to make. I like to start with the nose.
So we need orange. Huh?
You have orange.
My orange broken.
Use this one.
Thank you. We make the half one, right?
So we're gonna do look, half the nose of the cow. See? This is like a half moon, like a quarter of a moon. Then I'm gonna use the other side,
It's okay. You do.
yellow,
Yellow, huh? Cool color.
happy color.
But red is also a happy color. Not only yellow.
Esta es la nariz de la vaca.
What's my yellow? Ay,
Yeah.
what the?
Now we're gonna use for the other side. So the face of the cow is like a rectangle here, or like a bell. See, actually the face looks like a bell. See, here.
Faster, like a flash! 大家一定要比快一点，不然就
And I
跟不
use-
上我的
my cow has
神话手爸爸。OK。White.
see, you see the shape like a bell. Down, very good.
Blue.
I'm gonna use one spot around the eye in blue, and I'm gonna do another one in, I think here, pink. Look. Same thing. See, the
Don't
body
make it cute.
is a rectangle. Yeah, rectangle.
Rectangle. I think you can make a little because the feet. We're gonna put in the feet.
The feet are small.
Oh,
And then
yeah.
I'm gonna make one spot here in black.
Me too.
The legs are just 4 sticks.
My little cow.
And
My
the
little cow.
tail, like this.
Tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet.
If you want, you can make the hooves of the cow. Let's say pink.
I think we can do the shadow. I do the shadow, okay?
Yeah, can make a shadow.
Wait, I need to paint this.
Now we're gonna paint the holes of the nose and the little mouth. I'm gonna make a surprise cow. Ooh. But you can make it also smiling. And the eyes.
Oh, look, really hot.
It's okay. Now, what is this cow missing?
I think he's missing
The ears.
Ear.
And the horns. The ears are like a leaf. See, like 3 leaves.
Why my cow is like a white?
I'm gonna make one ear in pink.
Huh?
And now the horns, like this one here. Now I'm gonna add something funny here. Look at this. This is how the cow gives milk. See?
Oh.
Coral. And
Yeah, we finished.
we finished. You're gonna make the coral for
Oh
the cow?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then the cow's gonna say.
Then the cow's gonna run away. You're gonna have a runaway cow.
小牛逃跑记。这一个栅栏呢挡住了它，所以小牛这下逃不出来了。完成喽！你看，这小牛仔。
I cut some grass and we are done.
对，我们完成啦。
Oh, these are our cows.
呀，你看，这就是我们的小牛，可爱不？
You see how easy? Look at this. Oh.
哦。
So these cows are very easy to make.
耶！而且我希望你们会喜欢这个做法，也很简单。
Very colorful.
所以我猜你们也能做到。赶紧画出你的小牛吧，发到我们的评论区里，一起来看一看。
So you guys drink a lot of milk and
记得你一定要多喝牛奶哦，因为牛奶也很健康。
see you next time.
拜拜。
Bye bye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.